Bobby, wala naman din.
Of the, kanina yung social law. Yes. Yung mga house. That's the legato silver. Prime phase 2.
Traffic 1 hour.
Kayo ang nagtayo.
Mag-terraces pa.
Isang,
Mga
ito yun.
sa gilid.
Ito, no?
Parang ganyan ba siya? Parang ganyan?
Ito, this is the these are the units we were selling way back 2021. Yan, this is the view. This is Materraces Prime Phase 1. These are the Soprano and Alto series. Yung swimming pool niya, overlooking.
Anong ilan feet na tayo above sea level?
We're now at
Ilan available dito?
It's all sold out. Yung kanina, yung legato, may 4 units. Tama-tama.
Ayun, sa magkakapatid. Ito 60M to.
4 years ago.
4 years ago.
Yung nakabili 60, nabenta niya earned at 80.
Oh,
Wait kasi 20.
4 years ago. Sa natin?